Documents and in some cases never filing returns at all. Just some of the allegations taxpayers in one metro Atlanta community are making against a local tax preparer.
And they reached out to Channel 2 investigative reporter Ashley Lincoln and told her they now owe thousands of dollars to state and federal agencies because of it.
I checked with the federal government and learned the company doesn't appear to have the proper credentials on file, something these customers say they wish they would have known before trusting this business with their money.
That's evil. That's wicked.
It's very sad, and it also hurts my trust in small businesses.
These taxpayers say they question the credibility of Whitland Tax Service, owned by Jahia King.
When we go to a tax preparer, we're asking you to do things on our behalf.
Channel 2 first reported on complaints last year after Donna Hines says she paid $15,000 for her 93-year-old mother's taxes.
Every month she would have $1,000 withdrawn from my account.
Hines filed this police report alleging that money went directly to King and her husband and not the IRS. I sat down with her again last month. Her mother has since passed away, but Hines says she's still fighting to clear thousands in tax debt for returns she says was never filed.
If I had paid it on time, it would have been about $6,500. It is now $28,000.
I went back to her to do 2024.
This customer asked not to be identified for safety reasons. She says King told her tax returns from 2020, 2021, and 2022 needed to be corrected, promising a large refund.
So collectively, it would probably be about almost $40,000.
Does that sound realistic to you?
It didn't.
She says letters from the IRS started arriving with warnings of incomplete filings.
They are submitted, but they're not complete.
She hired a certified tax professional who discovered falsified COVID tax credits on her return. She says when she asked to receive her returns, they were heavily redacted.
She said like my amended returns are like the Epstein files, so much redacted information.
When I checked the IRS database, neither King nor her husband appeared to have a prepared tax identification number, a federal requirement for tax businesses.
P-10s are issued by the IRS to tax preparers every year.
Tax expert Shauna Pope.
A legitimate tax preparer is going to review your files, review your income, ask questions, and not make any personal guarantees or promises.
Customers say they can never reach King to question her, often told she's out of the office because she's sick, a claim they don't believe based on King's social media.
Generational wealth, that's all I'm going to tell y'all.
Workers gave me that same explanation in 2025.
Are you guys saying no comment?
Hold on, please.
Okay. When I called this month, it was more of the same. So we went to her home. King started speaking to me through her home surveillance system as other family members arrived.
Just stay right there now.
We will. I thought she was in the hospital.
I'll tell you what you need to do. Yo, you need to leave the street.
King's husband arrived but didn't want to speak on camera and denied all allegations.
As you know, when the IRS comes after their money, their penalties, etc., they come to the taxpayer, not the tax preparer.
You're lying to the government. We have to sign off on what your lie is.
And Pope says before hiring a tax preparer, customers should verify credentials, confirm the preparer's P-10, avoid ghost preparers, and carefully review their return before signing. Now, the Kings deny all allegations. We did find there's one active investigation with South Fulton Police for theft by deception claims. We've also reached out to the IRS, which confirmed it's reviewing these allegations.